Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Stellar Coin. XLM has broken down another very significant support that was at 22 cents, and right now it is moved to the next support. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to have any reversal move from here, or are we going to break down the next support as well? But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe, and then for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, I would like to show you this weekly time frame. And here we can see that we had a very long rally, very big rally, and finally we found a resistance here at 70 cents, and we rejected very strongly from here and moved down, and one by one we have been breaking down the next support levels. We did not stop here at the previous support of 55 cents. We did not stop here as well, but once we stopped here at this support of 35 cents, then we have been hitting this next resistance that was previously working as a support of 45 cents, and we got rejected and broke down the next support of the 35 cents and 25 cents, and this was the support that was not broken down since after January 2021. We can see that when this rally was started, then here we were strongly rejected by this resistance on in November 2020, by this 22 cents resistance, and after breaking it out, we were not able to break it down again. Therefore, it was working as a key support for the price line, but right now we have completely broken down this 22 cent support, and now it has turned into the resistance for the price line of XLM. Now we have two support levels here at the next point. One is the price level support of 18 cents, and you can see that previously it has been working as a support and resistance here, and as a support here. You can see that here it worked as a support back in March 2018, and in July 2018, and here in September 2018 as well. And right now we are at the same support. Therefore, if the Bitcoin starts any recovery rally, even a small recovery rally, then we can have a nice reversal to break out the next resistance of 22 cents, because previously it was working as a support. Now it can work as a resistance for the price line. And we also have this weekly 200 simple moving average support. Right now the price line is also sloping down, and it is at the support of 18 cents. The next support will be at 15 cents after, if we will break down this 18 cent support. Now there is another possibility that the price line will follow on this weekly time frame another falling wedge pattern, a very big falling wedge pattern, then because we can see that when we had this rejection, then since then the price line is following a downtrend line. Like here we had a bounce, then we had here another bounce, we had another bounce here, another bounce here, and if I connect all these candlesticks, then the support is really very down. That is approximately at 13 cents or 12.5 cents. And if we will break down the 18 cent support, then we can move down, or we can have a spike up to this support, and here we can have a resistance of the newly formed falling wedge pattern. But it all depends on breaking down the next support of 18 cents. And if we take a look at the oscillators, like the RSI, the value of the RSI, by the way, you can watch the value here. The value of the RSI is 34.66. That is really very close to oversold. And if we take a look at the stochastic, then stochastic is also extremely oversold. And we can also observe that on this weekly time frame, RSI of Stellar Coin never entered the oversold zone. This is the trend line that I've placed here at with the value of 30, and on 30 it gets oversold. So this is the boundary to cross the oversold zone. And you can see that price line never touched this support, this oversold zone line, and maximum it went here up to this extent, that was 33.5. If I place this trend line here, then we can see that we are very close to this line where the RSI has maximum went in its history so far. So next few hours are really very important, and it will be decided soon that are we going to break down this support of 18 cents, or we are going to have a reversal from here. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.